US indices traded mixed. We have seen the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, all the three trading in a modest, narrow range. Neither the bulls nor the bears are taking over here for the day. What to expect now with the US session? Can we expect indices to rise from the current levels and look forward to another good bull run, what we had seen yesterday? All the highs are done and we should wait for a reversal. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, NASDAQ and Dow today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels and logical reasoning behind every level. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications for both the updates. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into S&P followed with NASDAQ, India and Dow. Watch till the end. See, if you look at S&P, rise, retracement, and then one single candle has appeared and we have seen a greater move. Now the 20 period, we know that it is offering it a very good support. Thus, it is important for S&P to trade below 59.10 levels. Earlier in the day also I have mentioned 59.10 is a very good support, and now if it trades below 59.10, this time we will be looking forward to a down move all the way towards 58.90 and 58.80 zone. 58.80, it has got very good support, and if at all it trades below 58.80, that is the beginning of the correction here. Then what we can aim for? We can aim for 58.60 and 58.50 levels. Right now, too early to conclude with such a sharper correction, but yes, I can see a greater hurdle on the upside at around 59.40, 59.50 levels. These two levels are going to remain critical for S&P to break beyond. Moving average is bullish, stochastic rising. See, MACD is bearish here on the hourly charts, while the RSI is placed comfortably. Coming to 2-hour charts, notice on the 2-hour charts, similar observation, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. And see, every time it moves towards 20 period, it tries to bounce back. But I'll say till 59.40, 59.50 is not taken, I'll not be treating S&P as bullish for the day. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, the RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts, you have similar observation, nothing different. Look, the rise, the retracement, one single candle, couple of bearish candles, then single candle, bearish candles, one single candle. So now once it trades below 59.10, you can expect 58.90, 58.80 levels, and if that is taken, then 58.60, 58.50 has to be there. Every rise offsets with a little drop, so we will wait for it. But yes, 20 and 50 period definitely should offer a good support, and that is why I say till 58.80 we have to be careful with the sells. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is under retracement, the RSI is flat here. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation here, flat top, and it is trying to erase the gains here. Possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily. Now see, this is important to note on the daily chart. See, first of all, it is started on a flat top. It has now created a wick. This is a sign of bullishness because it has already seen higher highs. But I'll say till 59.40 and 59.50 is not taken, we should not be treating this as bullish. Beyond 59.40, you can expect 59.50, and if that is taken, then 59.64, 59.72 and 59.85, and then 6,000 levels should be seen. Yes, this time if it breaches 59.64, 70 zone, we can expect a greater rise here. I do not expect this be what it is trying to do. See, yes, it is bounced back from the 20 period, but also it is trying to deliver this nice flat, and hence a drop below 58.80 should be the sign, or will invite further bearishness towards 58.60, 58.50, and below that it will fall into a correction territory. Stochastic rising, the MACD here is bearish, the RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple. The buying entry is now limited at 59.40 only, where you can expect it to move towards 59.50, 52, 59.60, and then if that is taken, then 59.74, 59.85, and then 6,000 levels. Beyond 6,000, the sky is the limit. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 59.10, where you can expect 5900, 58.98, 58.80, and then 58.60, 58.50. Below 58.50, it will fall into a correction territory, where a stronger move should be seen all the way towards 58.35, 58.20 and lower levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to NASDAQ. NASDAQ 100 on the early chart is similar formation what we had seen for the S&P, taking the support from the 20 period. We are seeing this rise. This could continue on the upside, and it could also erase the gains here. Now notice, if it trades now below 21,350, 360, that is the point of time you can say now the bears are back. We can look forward to 21,300, 240, and then 200 levels. Below 21,200, where we're gonna see a stronger move on the downside. While right now what is happening, after the retracement, it has given a breakout, a move beyond 21,460, 480, should be a clear indication of further bullishness. In fact, I'll say 21 till 21,500 you have to be cautious here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is at top. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, rise retracement. See, every rise offset with a retracement, and now again it is signaling a breakout. But I'll say wait for 21 480 500 to be taken in order to confirm further rise. Moving averages are bullish here, while the stochastic MACD RSI all are rising. On the 3 hour chart, we have similar observation here. Notice higher lows here, higher highs here. It is trading in the channel. The highs now are heading towards 21,600. But I'll say 21,500 is going to be very critical, and then 21,540, and then you can aim for 21,600. Right now it is looking upwards, right now it is staying bullish, but yes, if it trades below 21,350, stay with the sells. The stochastic trying to cool down, while the MACD and RSI both are suggestive of further bullishness. Likewise with the 4 hour charts, see higher lows and higher highs. Moving averages are trading bullish, signs are still bullish here. While when you see the stochastic, this is overbought, and if you see the MACD and RSI, these have still room for further rise. Coming to the daily. Now, before we proceed to daily chart, see, if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 33rd mentorship batch. See how easily in few minutes we have analyzed two instruments, and we are going to do the third one here. And you can also learn this art. Just join the 33rd mentorship batch starting 2nd of June. Do not miss to join this. Invest in your learning first, which can reap you profits throughout your life. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries related to the services. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for your queries. And once you have your trades in place, you should have a good place, a safer place to trade, and thus find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. It offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. Join it today and enjoy trading. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, what is happening? It has formed a tail and it is looking upwards. It is willing to now break beyond 21 480 500 zone. So if you see now tech 100 trading beyond 21 500 540, then there is no looking back. Remember, once it trades beyond 21 500 and 540, there is no looking back. It will then aim for 21 600, the critical number. 21 600 612 is the critical number here to break. Then 21 660 730, and then 800 should be there. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 21 400, where you can expect 21 350, and if it trades below 21 350, then stay with the sells for 21 300 240 200. Below 21 200, it's directly going to land at 21 100 levels. Below that, it will begin with the reversal process. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. See, US30 after retracing, this is what we had discussed. See, bullishness is stronger, bearishness is smaller, or you can see with the smaller body size, and see what has happened, hitting the lows close to 42 200. It is bounced back, and what a good reversal, good rise it is shown. Now it is very important for US30 to trade beyond 42 400 420 levels. If these two levels are taken, we are ready for another round of rally, which is going to take it towards 42 600 levels possibly. Now 42 540 42 600 is going to be one critical zone for it to break beyond. Notice every rise offset with a retracement, and it has now bigger ground to cover on the downside. And thus, if it trades below 42 200, we are ready for a good round of drop, or we can see a greater correction. Moving average is bullish, stochastic rising, MACD here is bearish. When you see the RSI, this is running flat. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, taking the support from the 20 period, it is bouncing back. It is a good sign for the bulls, but not if it trades now below 42 200. That is the point of time you can say now the bears are back and you can look forward to a greater correction. Stochastic rising, MACD in green, RSI flat. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation, the crossover in the moving average is very important sign. This is definitely on the buy side, but I'll say you have to wait for it to show a direction. A move below 42 200 is a clear sign of correction, while a move beyond 42 500 540 is a sign of bullishness. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is bullish, the RSI is running flat. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. Notice the rise, then the retracement, one bullish candle, and if it drops here, it is going to deliver a massive move towards 42 200 42 100, and then in fact 41 900 41 800 should be there. Right now it is trading bullish, and I'll wait for a confirmation of reversal. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened? See the drop here, the retracement, and see this is how it has been trading, lower highs and lower lows here. A break beyond 42 500 is a clear sign of bullishness here, while on the downside I will wait for it to now trade below 42,000 and 41,000 900 levels. These are the levels which are going to play the role today. Now, if you see US30 staying below 42,300, you can take a sell. But then 42,260, 250 and 42,200 you should watch out for. If it stays below 42,200, you can look forward to a greater correction towards 42,100, 42,000, 41,900 and 41,800. Below 41,800, we should aim for a greater correction. While on the upside beyond 42,500, just stay bullish. 540, 650, 700 and then 42,800 should be there. Beyond that, sky is the limit. 43,000 could be hit. I'm not expecting such a stronger rise, but yes, these are markets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.